Hello everyone, my name is Halima. I am a certified public accountant by profession, and today I'm here with my friend and colleague Vivy. Vivy is the CEO of Vivy Motivate. She's a financial advisor and she provides financial literacy to help manage our personal finances. So welcome Vivy.
Thank you.
Vivi has personally helped me in my financial journey, and I thought it wise to bring her on this show so that she can share to the world what it's like to manage your finances. And today she'll be sharing and answering some of the key questions we should be asking ourselves as the year is rolling. So welcome Vivi, and I'll let Vivi say something, then we jump right into the questions.
Yes, hello everyone. Hello, Halima. I just wanted to say thank you so much for having me on the show, and I really look forward to our discussion today.
Excellent. So, first question for you, Vivi. What are some of the benefits of having a budget? And please touch on what a budget is and what are some of the benefits of having a budget.
Sure. Okay, so some of the benefits of having a budget include having full control over your money because you know exactly where your money is going. As a matter of fact, that's what a budget is. A budget is being able to tell your money where it should go. And the key thing or the biggest thing about that is the fact that you can kind of plan for foreseeable events and also for the unforeseeable events, right? So you have your regular expenses that are upcoming that you have your regular expenses that you know that you're going to spend money on a monthly basis. So then you can go ahead and estimate the amount of money towards each of those, and then also there are the unforeseeable events, like I said, which includes, there might be a death in your family, or there might be a car accident, or even there could be a job loss. We're still in COVID and then in a pandemic right now, and so there have been many folks who have lost their jobs, and so having a budget can help you to plan for those unforeseeable circumstances where you are just saving for a rainy day.
Yes, saving for a rainy day. That is great. Thanks, Vivi. So, our next question. How do I begin to create a budget? We've had what is a budget and the benefits of a budget. Now, how do I start to create a budget?
Excellent question, and it's not really that hard. So my first suggestion is that you want to make sure you are fully aware of how much money is coming in and how much money is going out. In other words, you want to know how much am I getting paid on a weekly, bi-weekly, monthly basis, and how much money am I spending, and what am I spending the money on, right? So the way to really know how much you're getting paid is to take a look at your pay stubs, and then you can just see it from there. Pay attention to your net income, or you can also look at your bank statements if you have the direct deposit, and you can see the amount of money that is coming in. Another thing that you want to do is to, as I was saying, to determine where your money is actually going. So with your bank statements, this is a look back approach, I say. You can take a look at 3 months, the prior 3 months of your bank statements, and then just start to see, okay, how much money did I spend on gas each month? How much money did I spend on bills each month? And know the actual specific bills that you had to pay for each month. How much money did I spend on daycare, on daycare expenses, right? How much money did I spend on eating out? How much money did I spend on groceries? So once you get a feel for, once you get the facts, right, and actually know how much you spent on each item for the last 3 months, then you can go ahead and just do an average, and then create the category for that amount, and that will be your estimated amount for the next month. If you are a person who likes to write everything down, we have some old school folks here who like to do it that way. You can just go ahead and I want to call this, do a forward approach where you track and keep a record of all of the expenses that take place moving forward. And I would say to do this maybe for about a month or so. And once you do that, take the same approach as the look back analysis, where you go ahead and just do an estimate for that particular category for the future months. Actually, let me go back. I said to do it a month, but I think maybe 2 months might be a better amount of time to do it.
Oh wow, that's great. That's great. And folks, I'm gonna leave the website, so Vivy's website, so you can reach out to her, book your appointment, and she can walk you through this one-on-one. I know I had to do that when I started with her, and today I am so grateful I did. So Vivy, on to the next question. How can I plan for my finances? We're getting into 2022. Can you believe the year is already over?
I know, right? And the fact that we even made it, I mean, for so many people did not make it today.
Yes.
So we are very just thankful and grateful for God for allowing us to even wake up and to breathe and to be healthy.
Yes. Yes. So please tell us how we can plan for our finances in 2022.
Sure thing. So the main thing that I should suggest for you all to do is to think about what are your short-term goals, excuse me, and what you would want your long-term goals to be. Short-term goals are those that you plan to accomplish within a year or less, and then long-term is anything over a year. Once you figure that out, then you can go ahead and create a budget. Create your budget. You adjust your budget monthly as needed, depending on what is going on in your life, and actually stick to it. One thing that will help you to stick to it is to get connected with a financial coach, so that way they can help you, they can keep you accountable, and then also just give you another perspective, in areas as it relates to your finances where you might need words of wisdom. Another thing with planning for 2022 is that it's very important to actually have a savings, okay? Because like I said earlier when we were talking, you never know what is going to happen, right? Tomorrow's not planned. We can't predict the future, okay? So you definitely want to make sure you have a savings for emergencies. And then if you excuse me, want to save for a large expense, whether it be there's a baby on the way, or you want to buy a car, you want to buy a home, you want to pay off some loans, you want to actually attend college, whatever it may be, you can determine how much money you're able to save each month, and you would know that once you have created a budget, and then you can just work towards that goal.
Excellent. I know I need to start creating my 2022 budget, so I might be coming to you, Vivy, but
Of course.
thank you so much, my viewers, for watching. It's been a great time with Vivy. Please help me thank Vivy. Thank you.
You're so welcome.
And please leave a comment, leave a question. I'll share Vivy's website where you can go and book a call with her if you need further assistance with creating a budget for 2022. But till we meet again, thank you so much and goodbye.